Hi crew, this is my quick review of the Silva Marine Compass 85. This compass, per the website, made for small boats and is designed to account for the vibrations and changes of movement in the boat to keep a steady line whilst underway. I've had this compass in the boat for about 1.5 years. Now it's winter, I'm just trying to do some adjustments over the off-season of boating, and today I'm looking at adjusting the compass to better align to account for some magnetic deviation that I experience with the instruments here. Some of the challenges I've had with this compass, note that this is actually the second compass that I've had. The first one, after about 6 months, had a leak, and annoyingly I couldn't exchange it in the store. I had to have it sent back to Silva, and then they sent me a new compass, and that took about 4 to 6 weeks. Secondly, whilst using the compass, typically when we go offshore in the boat, I will set a compass bearing for the direction off the chart plotter, and then I'll steer the boat. It's a centre console boat. I'll steer the boat just on the compass bearing. One of the problems you can see is that based on one of the last offshore trips here, you can see that we're deviating south significantly along the trip, and that on a longer trip that adds in some cases quite a lot of distance and time to a trip. So I was trying to adjust the compass to account for some interference I think that's coming from these gauges. I haven't been able to locate the interference specifically, but in taking the compass off the console to see if there's any ways to adjust it, I've noticed that there isn't. The outer ring simply clips off the compass, and I've just done that now to show you. But one of the really disappointing things that's happened just in pulling the compass on and off today is that the compass has actually come out of its base, and you'll notice that it's merely just sikaflexed into the base, which is a plastic base with glue, which I wouldn't expect to be too bad, only that this compass is 6 months old and it's just come off the base. I think I've actually diagnosed what the actual issue is with this compass, and I'm pretty sure it's got something to do with that. So, just in terms of my review of this compass, I would not buy it again. In fact, the experience I've had with this inside of 1.5 years, it's actually the second compass. The first one leaked all of the fluid. Took me 4 to 6 weeks, I forget exactly how long, to get a replacement. This is the second one. It's come unglued from the base, and as you can also see, I've just noticed now, the fluid in the compass itself has a number of particles in it. As you can see, they've settled in the compass there. And thirdly, the compass is not adjustable. Silva provides no instructions on the website on how to adjust it for deviation or compensate for magnetic interference. Only that you need to contact a professional compass adjuster who will use bar magnets to adjust the compass. For a compass is supposed to be a quality brand, and quite frankly, not the cheapest option. This is a non-illuminated compass, and for what it is, it's overpriced, unreliable, and therefore I wouldn't recommend to buy one. Thank you for my review.